Hello and welcome to this comprehensive summary of the book Never Split the Difference, Negotiating as If Your Life Depended on It by Chris Voss. In this book, Chris Voss, a former FBI hostage negotiator, shares his strategies and techniques for successful negotiation in any situation. He explains that the key to successful negotiation is not to try to win or get the upper hand, but rather to find common ground and create mutually beneficial outcomes. One key concept that Voss introduces is the negotiation dance, in which both parties take turns making offers and counteroffers, trying to find a solution that works for both sides. He suggests using open-ended questions, such as "How do we solve this?" or "What are your thoughts on this?" to encourage the other party to share their perspective and ideas. By asking open-ended questions, you can gather more information about the other party's needs and concerns, which can help you find common ground and negotiate more effectively. Another important strategy is to use empathy and active listening to understand the other party's needs and concerns. This means really listening to what they have to say, rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. By showing that you understand their perspective, you can build trust and create a more collaborative atmosphere. Voss recommends using techniques such as mirroring, which involves repeating back to the other party what they have said in your own words, and labeling, which involves acknowledging and naming the other party's emotions. By using these techniques, you can show that you understand the other party's perspective and build rapport with them. Voss also emphasizes the importance of framing the negotiation in a way that is beneficial to both sides. This means focusing on the common interests that you share, rather than just your own needs. By finding ways to create value for both parties, you can increase the chances of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. One way to do this is to use the BATNA approach, which stands for Best Alternative to a Negotiated Agreement. Essentially, this means that you should have a clear idea of your bottom line and what you are willing to accept in the negotiation, as well as what your alternatives are if you can't reach an agreement. By understanding your own BATNA, you can be more flexible and open to negotiation, rather than getting stuck on a particular position. Voss also discusses the importance of using no effectively in negotiation. Rather than shutting down the conversation, he suggests using no as a way to clarify your position and build rapport with the other party. For example, you can say something like, "I'm sorry, but I can't do that," or "I understand your perspective, but I need to protect my own interests." By using no in a respectful and constructive way, you can move the negotiation forward and find a solution that works for both sides. In addition to these strategies, Voss also covers a variety of other topics in Never Split the Difference, including how to deal with difficult negotiators, how to handle emotional situations, and how to prepare for negotiations in advance. For example, he suggests creating a negotiation checklist to help you plan and prepare for negotiations, and using the FEMA approach, which stands for Find, Engage, Move, and Anchor, to structure your negotiation and keep it on track. Overall, Never Split the Difference offers a wealth of practical advice and techniques for anyone looking to improve their negotiation skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the strategies and techniques outlined in this book can help you become a more effective negotiator and achieve better outcomes in any situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this summary helpful.